Okay, so you'll need your gloves, foil, 40 volume developer, the Wella blonder bleaching powder, mixing bowl, and your butter knife, purple shampoo, neutralizing shampoo, and conditioner. Oh yeah, and of course your lace that you'll be bleaching. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. So safety first, you definitely want to put on your gloves because this bleach can burn your skin. And we're going to mix the bleach to the ideal consistency. This is probably the most crucial step when it comes to bleaching your knots. Okay, so since I'm only bleaching a closure, I will only use 1 scoop of bleaching powder. If it were a frontal, I would probably use 2 to 2.5 scoops. Alright, so when it comes to the developer, I usually just eyeball it, but for the sake of the tutorial, I was trying to be all fancy and measure by capfuls. So I ended up using a total of 4 capfuls, and I'll explain why as the video goes on. You want your consistency to be loose yet thick so it doesn't penetrate through the lace. Lord, if I can talk. You want it to be kind of like whipped icing. Okay, so now it's time to prepare the lace for bleaching. And first we're going to smooth those baby hairs back using the Got to Be Glued freeze spray. So we don't want to bleach those on accident. What I just did, I put a little water on my hands and I just smoothed it back because some pieces were being too stubborn. Alright, so now to the fun part. We are going to scrape off the product on our bleaching brush and get our butter knife. We are literally going to gently spread it on like butter. I like to start from the back of the closure or frontal and work my way up because the back tends to be a lot more dense than the front hairline, and the thinner parts tend to bleach faster, and we don't want that. Okay, so now I'm putting foil on top because I need this to process fast and preferably 20 minutes, definitely no more than 30. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and I'm checking the knots to see if I'm happy with it and see if a good amount of the knots have been lifted. In this case, I'm going to tell you right now, I was not happy with it. So I did let it go ahead and process for another 5 minutes and checked it again. But as you can see, I'm just parting the hair through and checking each part. Some of the little hairs was too close for comfort to the lace and the bleach, so I just quickly lifted it up. Nothing crazy. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes and I'm going to check it again. I really don't want this to sit on here too longer because 40 volume developer is strong. And we don't want to weaken the knots too much. Okay, so now majority of the knots are lifted after 25 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and rinse off the bleach. Use a neutralizing shampoo to stop it from processing. Tone the lace to get rid of any brassiness and then condition it. Okay, so here is a close-up. It looks a little orangish because it's smack dab directly under a bright light, but I am happy with the results. So now I'm getting ready to pluck the hairline, and then we're gonna let it air dry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make my wig. Okay, so here is the lace after I constructed my wig and styled it. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel and check out my website, naturaleCrowns.com, and follow my Instagram at naturaleCrowns.